For the second month in a row, the Labor Department reported no advance in its Consumer Price Index. Core inflation did rise 0.1% last month. Across all of last year, consumer prices rose 3%. Last year was the most inflationary year since 2007. As for wholesale inflation, the Producer Price Index declined 0.1% in December.
The National Association of Realtors announced a 5% increase in existing home sales for December, with about a 4.5% gain of sales in single-family homes. For all of 2011, existing home sales improved by about 1.2%, as the median sale price declined 3.9%. One negative real estate signal last week, in December, housing starts fell about 4%.
The Labor Department said initial applications for jobless benefits dropped by 50,000, down to 352,000 in the week ending January 14th. That is the lowest number of initial claims taken in any week since April 2008.
Gold. 2.4% weekly advance on the COMEX led to the closing price of about $16.64 Friday. Gold's rise was not matched by oil, down about 4%, or the U.S. dollar index, down about 1.7% last week. Oil ended the week at $98.33 a barrel on the NYMEX.
Stocks have surprised many analysts this month, as Wall Street has paid more attention to earnings than to news from Europe. The weekly numbers, the S&P 500 was up 2% to 1315. The NASDAQ up almost 3% to 2786, and the Dow up almost 2.5% to 12720.
And here's what you can expect this week. The EU finance ministers meet on Monday, and Halliburton and Texas Instruments announce fourth quarter earnings.
Tomorrow, fourth quarter results roll in from Apple, Yahoo, Johnson & Johnson, Travelers, Verizon, DuPont, and McDonald's. And Obama will make a State of the Union address.
On Wednesday, Boeing, Netflix, Motorola, Symantec, Amgen, SanDisk, Conoco, Philips, and Delta all come out with their earnings reports. The National Association of Realtors delivers news about December pending home sales, and the Fed concludes a policy meeting.
Thursday brings fourth quarter earnings from AT&T, Time Warner, Cable, Nokia, Starbucks, Caterpillar, 3M, Bristol-Myers, and AutoNation. Plus, reports on December durable goods orders and new home sales, and the latest initial claims figures.
On Friday, we have the government's first take on fourth quarter GDP, the final University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey of January, and earnings from Chevron, D.R. Horton, and Procter & Gamble.
That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagan.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you then.